I'm trapped. It's midnight. It's after midnight. I want to go to bed. So when I get up to go to bed, they attack me. Why won't you just go to sleep? You're supposed to be the star of illegal dog fights. You're supposed to be a vicious Doberman pinscher, not a girl that whines for attention. Oh, I just can't resist. This is why you are the way you are, because you're daddy's girl. About to get hit in the face with this chew toy though. Oh. Well, what are you gonna do about that? He lost it. Get away, you animal. It's my fur babies. You know, you would think like either my actual child would listen to me better than these two, but man, I'm just not doing good at either. All right, you think the people want to continue to listen to you whine to get me to scratch your butt? All right. Jack, say like and subscribe and share to Illegal Dog Fights. Can you say it for me, boy? Can you say that? All right, close enough.